Hey guys, good morning. Back in the river again. Hopefully I can cut some stripers or catfish. It's about 4:30 in the morning. All right guys, stay tuned. All right, I took it down in here. Ouch. All right, finally, I'm here. Let's catch some fish. Well, I got some bluegill in here. I don't know guys if you can see it. I'm gonna cut him in half. Gotta start with the head first. All right, first line in the water. All right, second line. I got both line in the water. Now let's wait. This one over there, this one here. Something in this rod. Come on, take it. A fish, guys. Oh, sporting drag. Oh. Oh, seems like a nice one. Feels like a nice one. That didn't take long. What is this? Catfish? Swimming towards me. I think I got a striper here. What is that catfish? Can't see it yet. Just right on the shore. Oh, nice channel cat. Heck yeah, ooh. Oh yeah, nice one, guys. Nice one. Heck yeah. That thing's fat. Whew. Come down, buddy. I'll let you go. All right, guys, beautiful catfish. Oh, I got a fish of the other one. I got this one go. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. There she goes. Got a fish here. Oh, this is so far. It's crazy. So I still have it? Oh yeah. Could be another catfish. It's not fighting really hard though. It's heavy. Oh, this is another catfish. Whoa. Oh yeah, another catfish. Nice one. Oh, this is bigger. Woo! Oh, this big one. Oh, that must be a flathead. That must be a flathead, guys. This thing's huge. Oh yeah. About 5 pounds, maybe 6 pounds. Maybe more. Oh yeah, that's a flathead right there. Big flathead. Right, guys, this thing is huge. Whoa, come down, buddy. Thing's strong. Look at that. That's a flathead right there. Nice one. 2 in a row. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm not sure how long this fish is. Right, buddy. Thank you so much. Oh yeah. Ooh, there she goes. Go that way. Yes. Well, let's get another one. Oh, I got something going on in this rod. There you go. There you go. Come on. Oh, the bites kind of stopped. That's funny. I get like 2 fish in a row and like everything stopped. Well, it's still early yet. It's only 5 o'clock. I'm gonna try a different spot. It's about 7 o'clock now. If I catch one more, that would be nice. All right, finally I'm here. Got a bite here. Got something. Got him. Seems like a nice one. Oh no, I'm snagged. Oh shoot. I still have it. Snag though. Still pulling. Shoot. Broke off. Got snagged something. Oh well. Seems like a good fish too. There he is. Hey, how you doing? That thing is huge. Hey, Mr. Beaver, how you doing? Tired of swimming? There he goes. Hey guys, I guess that's it. I didn't get any more fish in a new spot. I had 2 bites, but I lost them both, so. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.